Today we're going to learn about the clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is a tool that we can use in Photoshop to be able to manipulate certain features in the image. Images such as this Michael Jackson image that I'm going to work with today. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and maximize this picture. Make sure that it fits the length of the page so I can be able to center it and be able to manipulate certain features. Okay, once we're finished with that, we're going to go over here and identify the clone stamp. The clone stamp is located here. I click the button. Notice it says clone stamp. Now when I move up here on these brushes up here, there's a lot of different things that I can do. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to the hardness and change it up to 100%. Then I'm going to change the size of the brush here. Then I can go back into my page and make sure I can use these features. Also just making sure the capacity is 100%. Once I click over here with holding on Alt and then click, I can be able to take a picture of or take a clone shot of a picture that I have, so I can be able to manipulate it by putting here. So again, as I'm going through the picture, I can be able to hold Alt and then click to be able to do certain things. So if I hold Alt on the hair here and click and then make here, so I can kind of like change features to Michael Jackson's face. I can actually add hair or remove hair. I can fix the hairline. So when I'm going here, I can be able to get some of his skin and be able to drag with the crosshairs that you see. The crosshair is actually copying what I'm dragging. So if I'm dragging on a certain picture and I'm clicking on it and I click and drag, you'll see some of the crosshairs that pop up. Now, just going into the picture and manipulating certain things is very, very simple. I want you to go in, I want you to fix this picture. I want you to go in and I want you to copy things. I want you to make Michael Jackson look totally different than what he used to. So by using the clone stamp tool, I can go ahead and change the hardness and the softness of the brush so I can kind of blend some of the colors that's in the picture. And this is a black and white photo, so I can be able to change different things very, very easily. It becomes difficult but when you have color in the picture. But here, I'm using softness to be able to identify some skin tone, and I can be able to edge out the hairline. So if I change the opacity down here, you'll see that it doesn't copy as strong, but I'm still getting some type of tendencies. I usually have to go back and change some of the opacity down just a little bit, just so I can get some variance between color tones. So like I said, go in here, mess with Michael's face or whatever picture that you're using, and being able to adjust those things are very important. So you notice how I just literally just gave him a heads up. Michael Jackson at his greatest.